Alright guys, so I'm just getting packed up here quick, but I was getting ready to leave, came out here to try and catch some tarpon, and I was throwing my old minnows in, and there's peacock bass blowing up right here trying to eat my old minnows. So we're just gonna throw him a live one. He's gonna hit it here quick, I know. Yep, there we go. Oh yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. That's a nice one too. Quick little bite right as we're leaving. That's a nice peacock. Get that hook out quick. Nice fish. Oh yeah, that's a big one. Nope. 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 That's a nice fish right there. Beautiful peacock. Right as we're leaving. Got my thumb good though.